picking up my powder coat. They called me, said it was done. They palletized it, so I'm gonna put it in the bed of my dad's truck. I'm bringing it home and I'm gonna start working on that shit. We loaded up. Little peek, little peek. So, I don't have my flash on right now, so that bitch got some flake in it. I like how it changed. It's a little different in person than on camera. It looks dark pink, then it looks light pink, then it looks almost orange. I really fuck with it. But I'm about to unwrap everything. I got a moving blanket over here. I'm about to go get another couple moving blankets. Lay everything out. Got a little heater, because it's fucking cold today, of course. The day it fucking is done. I'm about to do all the little things first. Pushing my bushings and whatnot for my control arms. And then my ball joints. And then after that, Keegan should be getting here soon, and we're gonna knock everything out. I'm gonna do the lifting shit first, like the hitch receiver, toe hooks, all that shit can wait till last. I'm not really worried about that, so. Man, the camera don't really do it justice, cause like, it looks pink, it looks orange, but the flake, I didn't think that was gonna have this much flake in it. Man, the flake in this color. In the camera, it looks orangey, reddish. It looks really red actually. Like right here it looks fucking red. But in person it looks pink. It's weird how the camera don't do it justice. But man, lower control arms. Got a little plate. Just shock extenders, antenna, a little bit of everything, bro. That's gonna be sick. Can't wait to put everything back together. I fucked up when I didn't push out this sleeve right here. So I fucked up when I did that. I didn't have to push that out real quick. But besides that, all the bushings and stuff should fit in fine, even though it's got a little powder on it. Torsion board bracket, locks. Man, this color is so fire. You gotta see this thing in person to really get the perspective of it. No, I do want to video a decent amount of this, but I don't want the video to be too lengthy. Because we've done Cateye lifts before. This is the like third or fourth one we've done. So I'm not gonna do a step-by-step process. I'm basically just gonna kind of show some shit. Like, first of all, like I just put that pink plate behind the cross member. Cross member's dirty, but as you can see, the polished bolt heads kind of blend in with the pink. This bracket I'm about to put on the back. It goes on the back of the cross member right here. I'm not gonna be able to see that, of course, but I'm just doing all the little things right now. This is one of the little things. Next up, I gotta take the upper control arms, put the ball joints and bushings in, as well as the grease fittings into the uppers. We're not gonna do no big step-by-step. If you wanna see a big step-by-step process, you can go watch when we did Colin's lift at McGoy's. We kind of did a decent step-by-step, but man, this color is sick. And it does change color in person as well as on camera, but in camera it looks almost a little more orangey red than it does actually pink. But man, that color is fucking sick. I'm so glad I picked this color. I think it's gonna look good. It matches my stickers like damn, they're perfect. I based my stickers off of the powder, so it matches pretty perfect. I don't have anything on the truck yet. Like I said, I'm just doing the little pieces. The only thing I do have is the antenna. I mean, that matches pretty much perfect. I don't think I could have picked a better color. I put these badges as well the other day. I don't think I showed that. Billet badge and then Z71 side marker badges. I can't go get an alignment till Monday. Today's Thursday, so I can probably drive it, but I probably won't drive it over the weekend just because I don't feel like messing anything up. You know, I'll go get an alignment. I might, you know, Saturday is gonna be getting detailed, so it's gotta be out for sure by Saturday. So we getting it. Just a little update. Got the diff in, cross members on. We tightening the cross members right now. Then we're gonna hit them with the impact.
Slide.
I mean, then we're gonna hit the diff. After this, we probably gonna do the torsion bar drops, and we still gotta work on the control arm bushings because those are fighting us. But we'll do that. We'll do that later, and then we can do the uppers and shit. So not too shabby. breeze. So this is the stopping point for tonight. It's just cold and it's got late, so we got the front cross member and all of that tight. You got the diff on, all that tight. Back cross member, upper control arm, it's not tight because we gotta put the spindle and stuff on. Man, the lift looks really red right here. It's crazy. Sway bars on. It's not tight though, because in case we gotta have some play in it, so we can put the lowers on. I also put the torsion bar drop brackets on. I will be making like some show off and like chrome probably show off right here. I'll probably put like Kryptonite right here and then like Gordo cast or something. I'll kind of do something cool with some vinyl. Also put my toe hooks in. Those look pretty sick. And obviously the plate. Let's see. That looks pretty good. Pink in the back with the chrome, which is dirty. I think it looks pretty good. I like the color. Tomorrow, I gotta go get the lower control arm bushings pushed in with like a press that is on a stand and just press it straight down because it's just really too hard to press down right now with what I got. So instead of fight wind, I'll do that. So tomorrow, I'll put the lower control arms on. We'll jack the truck up a little more. Put the lower control arms on, put the ball joints in them. And then from there, we can put the spindles, sway bar end links. And then once we do that, I'll be able to put the torsion bars and everything in. Hitch receiver, I was gonna do it tonight. Really don't feel like it because I just don't have no light. So I'll probably put the hitch receiver in tomorrow. Shocks over there, I got the shock extenders mounted to the shocks. Those are my blocks. I'm not gonna be using those, of course, for right now. And those are my brake dust shields, so those will be going on after I put the spindle and the hub and everything back together. So I think it looks pretty good. I did putting everything there. I kind of chipped up the paint, so I'll have a couple of spots to touch up on some paint.
Oh, almost bust my ass, Jonah. Oh, I'm videoing me.
Videoing me.
Trash ass phone.
What, the other side? What, the other side?
Chill.
Niggas on the sink, bro. Chill, you stuck. Hey, you stuck, bro.
Got my detail man to come out here next day. Both clean everything. I love the way this bitch looks, bro. Polished shocks. Put my sway bar in links. I still gotta crank the keys down a little bit because I don't like how my CV angles are, but 26 by 14 JTX forged silences. 37 Road ones. They are Ford lugs, so I am running 1.5 inch adapters. I don't have my hitch receiver on yet, but that bitch is sitting pretty poking out. I like how it sits. Gotta put my hitch receiver. And that's like the last thing I gotta do besides crank my keys down. painted my frame and everything, of course. Little water spotty, but he did buff everything. He got like the majority of this out, and it's gonna get buffed again when I send it to get paint matched. I do still have to polish the wheels. I'm not gonna polish them right now though, because I'm gonna take them off right before I go get it lined. But yeah, so I think it turned out good. Sitting just right. I'm about 6'1". My chin is like, this is chin level to me. I do want to get a flawless wrist plate that's pink to match the paint, because why not? Slime?
Dude.
But you always hear slime. Slime is pretty, he's not short, but he's not tall, but this bitch is big. I like it. Still gotta do wood lights, rock lights, but that's for another day. Bags all the way down. I'm fucking with it. I think this bitch sits so perfect. And it's not even that bad to drive. It's really not. People overestimate how bad it is. My eye level, I mean, I'm pretty tall, like I said. This is my eye level. And then my seat can go up. Got my detail guy. Polish everything, clean everything. This bitch never been so clean before, because literally I've never cleaned it since I bought it. So next got subs coming in. I gotta get a sub box. I got the sub. Forgot to put my spike valve stem caps. I'm mad. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Lance is actually putting the lift kit on his truck right now. I might go slide over there.